Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to redo in Google Stitch. So for example, keyboard shortcuts, this one is the fastest one. So let's delete, for example, this one right here. So delete. Now you can see it's gone. What I'm going to do on Windows, I can press Control Z. Control Y. So let's delete here. Delete this one and Control Y. If that doesn't work, you can use Control Shift and Z. If it's doesn't work, Control Y. Okay, now we can also do that with command palette options. So we can press on Control K in Windows, on Mac, Command and K to open Stitch command palette, and then type in redo and just hit enter. So this is also the one option. So let me show you with the shortcut. So now I have deleted, and now Control Y, you will get back your basically what you have deleted. It can take a few moments because yeah, it's quite heavy web program right here. So my computer now is running pretty fast. So yeah, this is how you can redo in Google Stitch. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the